Today's gonna be a sad day. No, I'm just kidding. I'm being extra dramatic because that's what I do best. It's not gonna be a sad day, but it is gonna be a tedious day. And you guys get to see all the pain and suffering that I'm gonna go through. Not really, but yeah. If you're new here and haven't hit that subscribe button, I mean, you might as well. It's free. And if you like fire content, I mean, I'm gonna be back. I'm Dominic, D-O-M-I-N-I-C. And in today's video, you guys get to go on this long journey with me. We get to take down these braids today. So if you want to see how I do that, then keep on watching. Okay, so yeah, I installed these braids about 2 months ago. I'll leave some clips above. So what I like to do is just take my scrunchie, put my hair in a low ponytail, and then we're gonna slip one out, and then I'm gonna take this and cut it about here. I don't want to go any higher because my natural hair is pretty long and I refuse to accidentally cut my hair. Now if you have shorter hair, you could just go ahead and snip way up here and then start unraveling. But I have to start down here. I'll take my rat tail comb and just start unraveling. Like so. I promise you this is probably going to be a very long process because these braids are small and I actually counted them before I started this video and I have 100, so here goes number 1. And then we're just gonna take this down. See how tedious it is already? Yeah, I think that's good. And I'll just start unraveling from the bottom. Oh my God, we finally got one out. I told you that was gonna be tedious. We finally got one out. So now what I like to do is just start combing out any shed hair. By the way, these are knotless braids. So I find with knotless braids, they tend to get more frizzy at the top a lot faster than a traditional braid. But once you go knotless, you never go back. Yes, 2 down, about 98 more to go. I started this process at 4 o'clock. It is now 4:03. So we're gonna see how long it takes me to do these next 98. And I promise you, my hand is already getting tired. If I happen to stop, no, we're gonna take these out all today. I'm not stopping one time because after this, I gotta still show you guys how I deep condition my hair. Yeah, so bear with me. Okay, I know, outfit change, half my hair is slicking down. Let's be quite honest here. There was no way in hell I was gonna take down 100 braids in one day. So now we're down to the last 5. So I was like, you know what, let me just cut this camera back on so we can continue because I know for a fact you guys will not sit through and watch me take down 100 braids, even if I fast forward some of the sections. So I'm just taking down these last 5 because baby, I'm tired. I'm tired of taking these things down. All I know is next time I put braids in my hair, I'm going to make sure that I only put in maybe like 80. So I'll make them a little bit larger than what I actually did. 'Cause man, this stuff is crazy. And see, I wouldn't have taken them down, but you know, you don't want to leave your braids in for too long because then you can start getting breakage, and that's no fun. Okay, so I'm gonna just fast forward and we're gonna take the rest of these down, and then after that, I'll come back and show you guys how I deep condition. Bruh, I'm on my last freaking braid. Y'all don't even understand how happy I am right now. It's been a couple of days I've been working on this. Oh my God, we're almost getting there. You know, like when you are so excited for something to just be done and finished, and you're just like getting anxiety, because like happy anxiety, that's how I feel right now. Because it's like the moment of truth where I get to go crazy. Unraveling the last little strand. Yes, I can comb this out. Yes, yes, yes. Hold on, I gotta get that. Sorry, I'm not in the camera view, but y'all don't even understand how happy I am right now. You don't understand how happy I am right now. Okay, so what I like to do is just like brush through with my hands a little bit, just to release any shed hair. You know, never mind my breakage here in the front, that's for my color. Okay, so then I'll take a mister, which is a water bottle, and then I like to spray. So I have water mixed with a little bit of conditioner. And I don't get my hair super damped, but damped enough just so I'm not snagging at my dry hair. So then I'll split it up, and I'll take this Tangle Teaser and just start combing out any shed hair that I have. Y'all, I'm sweating right now. See, let me tell you about having hair. It's a blessing, but it's also a lot of work. So we're just brushing the shed hair out. I will take my time. Like if I'm sitting here brushing for 15 minutes, so be it, because I promise you don't want to get any shed hair stuck while you're in the shower. So just go to the other side. Give this a little mist. And make sure when you're combing your hair out, you're starting from the bottom and working your way up. Always detangle your hair from the ends going up. You never want to start from the root and come down, because you're just going to rip your hair out. Start from the bottom, just be patient and work your way up. And we're all about growth and retention, right? So if you want to retain your length, don't snag at your hair. Even if you get impatient and tired, just take a break, stop. Because you can always just stop and then pick up where you left off. You don't have to go insane, I promise you. Just be patient. Alright, okay, it feels like I got most of my shed hair out. Okay, so the reason why I like to comb out most of my shed hair before I even go hop in the shower is because I don't want to create a dreadlock. And I promise you, I've done it before, and that's why I know not to do it. So, my advice is, always comb out the shed hair before you hop in the shower. Okay, so now with our little bonus, I'm gonna show you guys how I just pop in my deep conditioner. I like to split my hair in 4, and then we're gonna take one side and split it again. Now I have no mirror in front of me, so my parting obviously is not gonna be perfect. Where's my scrunchie? Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and spray again. And I'll saturate more than previously, like so. Okay, so I like using all kinds of deep conditioners. So I have a cabinet just of all deep conditioners. In today's choice, I picked Aunt Jackie's In Control Moisturizing and Softening Conditioner. So we're just gonna pop this in. So I love Aunt Jackie's. I use their products for a very long time. And it's like a holy grail in my cabinet. So I just start applying that through. Make sure you are saturating because remember, when hair is in braids, you can't really deep condition. So today, we gotta put all of our nourishments back in. And then I'm gonna just brush in this deep conditioner. And when I take my hair out of braids, I go a little bit heavier on the deep conditioner because my hair, you know, has been in a style that I'm not really deep conditioning. So I just like to, you know, make sure it's fully saturated. Okay, so when I'm scooping, I'm gonna actually show you how much I'm taking. I'm taking this much. Every time I'm scooping, I'm taking this much. And I'm just slapping it all right on. Because I'd rather have more than enough than not enough. So I'll put that on through. And then I also switch off my brushes. Sometimes I have a tangle teaser here and then my other detangling brush. And I like to use this when I'm working on a big section because I find it just glides with the hair a lot better. Alright, we got half done, so now I'm just taking in this back end. Finish this up. Or this video is 30 hours long. Yes, for our last section. Thank the hair gods. Man, this stuff is time consuming. Having natural hair is very time consuming. I don't think anyone tells people that. You know, it's a beautiful thing, but it's very time consuming. And the longer your hair gets, the more time consuming it becomes. Alright, once I get my hair pretty saturated with deep conditioner, I will just throw it right on up in the top bun. And we're just gonna let this sit. Oh, I got deep conditioner all on my face. So yeah, this is how I take out my braids, comb out my shed hair, and deep condition all in one, because who doesn't like a simple process? Now I'm not gonna say it's not time consuming, because it's time consuming, but that's okay, because it's still a simple process. You know, just take your time. So I'm gonna let this sit probably for 30 minutes, maybe an hour, because honey, look, I gotta go eat. I'm starving right now. Last time I ate was maybe at 12, lunch time. It is now 6 o'clock. You see what happens when you gotta film and take out your hair and do all this other thing. You start forgetting to eat. So I'm gonna go eat before I shower and wash all this out. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, because I promise you I'm coming back next week. I'm gonna try to post every week. So if you want to see me, subscribe, because I'm not going nowhere anytime soon. Until next time.